Hi. Markets are becoming very volatile again, as you saw last week, but it's giving us opportunities to trade soon, because there just really hasn't been much to choose from on the JSE, and there still isn't really a lot, because everything's so overbought. So a bit of volatility might help us get some good trades in. We did stop out of Steinhoff at the 24.50 mark, but then we repurchased again at 24.65 on the leg up, as there just isn't much to trade. We're still confident Steinhoff can make us a profit, so we've decided that we'll get back in. Same targets, looking at 29 or 30 rand. Yeah, we don't see a problem with that. Yeah, the stop out, we were a bit worried it was going to crash down, but I think it had something to do with payouts and what have you, so we're not too concerned about that. Anglos has also come all the way down. We haven't stopped out of Anglos because we just can't see the point in selling it at the moment. We just don't have anything to replace the trade with, so we've decided to hold on to it. We don't believe this market's going to turn short just yet, not unless North Korea is going to attack the USA or something to that effect this week, which we don't. So we think we'll give it a bit more time and see how we go, because if you're looking at Anglos at the moment, it's extremely oversold. All the technicals are pointing to a buy, except for this downward trend here, but I think that's going to turn next week. So we've decided not to sell this. Okay, we're holding on to Anglos. Anglos is a strong trade, always will be a strong trade, and long term it'll make you money. What we did do though is we purchased Tiger Brands this week. Now Tiger Brands has been lagging all the other retailers. The reason for lagging, I'm sure, but the other retailers have gone flying up, and this one lagged behind. Now if you look at Tiger Brands, we've put a stop at around 280. Okay, just in case, just keep a close eye on it. This one we will stop out if it goes down, because its P is quite high. The difference between this and Anglos P is very low. It's a cheap share. Then also we're looking at a target of around, say, 310 to 315. Be very lucky if it goes up to 320, but we'll see. Let's have a look at that. With Tiger Brands having lagged behind the other retailers, we're looking at it as a technically strong trade. It's very technically strong. If you look at it, it was very oversold when we purchased it, and the stochastic crossed nicely, showing us a buy signal. And relative strength is in the right place. If you look at the momentum, it does still have an upward trend, but it does seem to be creating a sort of wedge, but if it goes to the top of that wedge, it should easily still hit the 310 to 315 mark, so that looks like a decent trade. We'll be looking out for some new trades this week. Let's see what we can find. Have a good trading week. Cheers.